Hi everyone, welcome to the Art of 3D Experience. My name is Frank, and today I've got a very quick tip for you, especially for beginners in Cinema 4D. And that is how you can tell how many polygons you have in your scene, polygons or points or objects, because sometimes you might want to export your models to other softwares, and if you've got some restrictions as per how many polygons you're allowed to export, you want to find out if you can export your model. So how do you find out how many polygons you got in your model? So if you open your scene and just hit Control I and Command I on the Mac, you'll see it will tell you the memory your model is using. It will tell you how many points, how many polygons, and how many objects. Right, so in brackets here I've got 52 objects, and in brackets I've got 53, and the reason for that is because one of my objects in there has not been converted down into an object. So let me just quickly show you what I mean. So if I go to another scene and I just create a cube, you can see that if I do Command Control I, it tells me one object, and in brackets it says two objects. So now I'm going to go back and say OK, and I'm going to convert my cube into an object, which is going to be, if I press C, I'm converting it down into an object. And if I now go back to Control I, it will just tell me one object because it has been converted down into an object. So that is how you can tell how big your scene is and how many objects you have in it. So I hope that's been useful to you, and I'll catch you in the next video.